Looking for the best portable electric kettle for hot water on Amazon? Today, we're counting down the top 5 kettles that are fast, convenient, and perfect for home or travel. Let's dive in.
Introducing the Chefman Fast Boil Electric Glass Kettle, the perfect way to heat water quickly and safely. With a 1.8-liter capacity and 1,500 watts of power, it boils water in just minutes. The sleek borosilicate glass body with blue LED lights makes it stylish and easy to watch your water come to life. Designed with automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection, it's built for safety and convenience. The cordless 360-degree swivel base makes pouring simple and mess-free. Perfect for tea, coffee, or instant meals. The Chefman Electric Kettle is your fast and modern kitchen companion. Introducing the comfy 1.7-liter stainless steel electric kettle, designed for speed, safety, and style. With its 1,500-watt heating element, this kettle boils water in just minutes. Perfect for tea, coffee, or instant meals. The sleek stainless steel finish and BPA-free interior ensures safe, fresh-tasting water every time. For peace of mind, it features automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection, so you never have to worry about overheating. A cool touch handle, easy pop-up lid, and LED indicator light make daily use simple and convenient. The cordless design with a 360-degree swivel base means you can lift, pour, and serve effortlessly. Fast, reliable, and stylish. Here's the Kasori 1.7-liter electric kettle, where clean design meets quick performance. The borosilicate glass spout and stainless steel filter mean your water never touches plastic. It heats a full cup in under 3 minutes, much faster than traditional stovetops. Wide opening and angled lid make cleaning a breeze. Plus, automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection give you peace of mind. The drip-free spout, cool touch lid, and glowing blue LED add both convenience and style. Whether it's tea, coffee, or your favorite instant meal, the Kasori kettle is your fast, safe, and sleek kitchen go-to. Introducing the Kasori Electric Gooseneck Kettle, a must-have for coffee aficionados and tea enthusiasts alike. With its sleek, modern design and 0.8-liter capacity, this kettle is perfect for precise pouring and quick boiling. Equipped with 5 preset temperature controls, it allows you to select the ideal heat for various beverages, ensuring optimal flavor extraction every time. The 1,200-watt power ensures rapid boiling, saving you time without compromising on performance. The kettle's stainless steel interior and BPA-free construction guarantee a clean, safe drinking experience. Its gooseneck spout offers precise control, making it ideal for pour-over brewing methods. Features like the 60-minute keep warm function and the auto shutoff mechanism add convenience and safety to your brewing routine. Whether you're crafting the perfect cup of coffee or steeping your favorite tea, the Kasori Electric Gooseneck Kettle combines functionality with style. Introducing the Kasori Electric Gooseneck Kettle, a sleek 0.8-liter powerhouse designed for precision brewing. With 1,200 watts of power, it boils water in just 3 to 5 minutes, perfect for pour-over coffee or tea. Equipped with 5 preset temperatures, white, green, oolong, coffee, and boil black, it ensures your beverages are brewed at the optimal temperature every time. The ergonomic gooseneck spout and counterbalanced handle provide precise control, while the 360-degree swivel base offers easy pouring from any angle. Crafted from 100% food-grade stainless steel, it boasts a durable, BPA-free interior. Plus, the hold temp function keeps your water warm for up to 60 minutes. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or a tea enthusiast, the Kasori Electric Gooseneck Kettle combines style, speed, and precision for the perfect brew.
Price on Amazon? Check the link in my video description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.